What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. I got a Kip Tricks Christmas t-shirt. And I'm showing y'all this because maybe this gonna drop on Christmas or maybe before. Either way, happy holidays to everybody, man. Shout out to Kip. This is dope, man. Very dope. But we're not here to talk about that. Let me tell y'all something. Jordan brand is good, man. They came out with the Jordan 3 patchwork, and I didn't bite because it was a Jordan 3, but you put that on a Jordan 1, and you know I gotta at least check it out. Hit the music. Yes, sir. What's up, family? Welcome to Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. If you haven't, you know all the stuff the shoe tubers say. Do at least one of them for your boy. Give me a little Christmas gift. Do at least one of them. Today we got the Jordan 1 Handcrafted. They're running out of names. But I get it with this one. And I'm not gonna lie, the pictures don't give this sneaker justice. In hand, this sneaker is handcrafted. Quality is premium. Trust me. I know. Get this in hand. But yeah, I bid on it because it's a Jordan 1. I really don't like the colors. Minus the colors, this sneaker does remind me of the Biohacks. And yo, this was one of the Jordan 1s, believe it or not, went straight to feet. I wore these as soon as I purchased these. And yeah, it ain't really hype around this sneaker, but the handcrafted reminds me of the Biohacks. And if I want to really remember, I think the Biohacks came out same year, same time last year. So it's really a lot of differences, but a lot of similarities in these sneakers. We'll get to a video on that soon. But anyway, the handcrafted drop. It's my job to review it. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. You know your boy love when Jordan brand changed the box around, and I like it. So the top of the box, you have like a cutout K and E on the Nike that shows like, scissors, colors, poke out, pop-ups, handcrafted things. Very, very thought out. The right side, the N and the I is in like a burnt red or like a red with a filter, a little bit of brown. I like that also. And the bottom follows suit. Flip open the lid. Swoosh. Quality control stamp. The inside has brown paper. More of a handcrafted thing. If you do any hobbies like beading or gluing or whatever, it's always brown paper that's under or like covering the table. That's very thought out, man. And here we have it. The Jordan 1 Handcrafted. I told y'all, man, y'all looking at it in 4K. Let's start with the nubuck brown Travis Scott style around the toes. Look at that material, guys. Look at that material, man. The toe box has tumbledness. Look at the toe box. Tumbledness, guys. Not gonna lie here. Your swoosh is even nubuck suede. On top of the brown comes in some green, also premium nubuck suede. The inside behind the swoosh, a little bit of tumbleness. A little bit. Not too much, but the leather is also A1. This is probably my second favorite part of the sneaker is this bike reflector. I love something that reflects, as I was telling y'all about the essential stuff. You see the reflection? That's dope. I just feel like it didn't blend with the green and the brown too much, but I like the reflecting of this. At the top, also in that mocha brown suede, on top of that, you got a handcrafted Jordan 1 Wings logo, which is a dope touch, being that the sneaker is called Handcraft. The back, also nubuck suede. I want to say it's like plum. That got to be like plum or dark purple. Very dope sneaker, man. Jordan 1 went back to the regular tongue. I haven't seen this regular tongue in a long time, since the Jordan 1 Armaniers and the Jordan 1 Gore-Tex. Went back to the regular OG tongue with the writing regular on the back. The inside of the shoe is like in a diamond quilted look. As you can see there. And the top has black leather. Comes with 2 sets of shoestrings, both which I really don't understand, because it comes with this black pair here, but it comes laced in a black pair. So I don't really understand the thinking of it. Oh, I can kind of see now. The black pair here is the original lacing of the Jordan 1. This pair here, as you can see, is not original Jordan 1 laces. It's very, very thin, like a ribbon almost. Get that to compare. See the thickness here? That's like a ribbon. So it comes with that, and it comes with a white pair. But I feel like this pair should have been green or brown, in my opinion. Y'all let me know how y'all feel in that comment section. You see, this is why you look at everything before you talk. As I see here, it also comes in orange. So it's a 1 black shoestring and a orange shoestring. Halloween style, even though it's Christmas. You see the orange that blends with the tongue? That's there. But it's also black. The insoles has also the same quilt that you see at the top. Is also on the insoles, with the same bright orange on the tongue, on the soles. The right shoes here, nothing changed, nothing different. It just doesn't have the extra set of shoelaces in it. Right side. For some reason, this sneaker's not being sought after. And I think it's being a casualty of war, being that next week we get the Jordan 1 Reds. And these are some bad boys right here, man. Jesus Christ, I like these. So I think that's the reason why the handcraft is not getting much love. Like I told y'all, man, in hand, the material is premium. The color blocking is a little, I get that. More of a Thanksgiving color blocking, in my opinion. Brown, green, and plum. More like the Turkey Dunkin'. But, yo, it's a dope Jordan 1. And if it doesn't restock crazy, I feel like this is going to be one of those sneakers that shoot up over time. All Jordan 1 shoot up, but this one I think is going to shoot up. Like the mochas, like the, all I can remember is the mochas right now. But yeah, if you could get it in hand for retail, I say get it and hold it. Or wear it. But if you're a reseller, hold it. Don't try to just go out, because I think right now it's going for retail on StockX damn near 200, 200. I like the sneaker, man. I'm dying to hear y'all thoughts in the comment section about these. Did y'all cop? I feel like they had a plan, and then the plan just went crazy. But again, the color blocking is all I could say I really don't like, because I'm not like a brown guy. But yo, everything suede, nubuck, reflector, multiple shoestrings. What else can you ask, man? I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.